Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic is attack workers. But if you are new, so don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's move to the video, which is the attack workers. The attack workers on IT infrastructure can be executed using the malicious code, Daniel, or service attacks, social engineering, and phishing. Malicious code. Malicious code are applications that, when activated, can cause the network and server overload, steal data and passwords, or erase data. Malicious software can come in multiple forms, such as services, trojans, houses, and worms. Then, what is the viruses, Trojan horses, and worms? Worms are self-replicating programs that separate from one computer to another, leaving the infectious as they travel. And viruses is a self-replicating program fragment that attaches itself to the program or file, enabling it to spread from one computer to another, leaving infections as it travels. A Trojan horse appears to be useful software what will actually do the damage once installed or run on your computer. Those on receiving the end of Trojan horses are usually tricked into the starting them to the users can be tempted to run an application. When it is sent to them in an irresistible format, the best known case is that of Anna Cornelius viruses in 2001. It was designed to trick email users into the opening mail messages properly, and Trojan horses can be used to deliver the services. And the process is all about in this Trojan viruses and worms, which is discussed that here. Here is the attack workers, and then the users probably containing a picture of Anna Coronas, a young attractive tennis player at that time. To the process of coronavirus and viruses tempted users like the message, hi check this message, and then the what appear to be the picture file labeled Anna Korniakova's GPG VBS. But when a user clicked on it, the file did not display a picture of Anna Korniakova but launched a viral Visual Basic script that forwarded itself to everybody in the Microsoft Outlook address book of the victim. Again, since more than 90% of all the PCs on the Microsoft Windows, this operating system is very attractive platform for malicious and software programmers. Most malicious code can be detected, removed by server scanners in an ever enduring battle between virus programs and antivirus programmers. Viruses parameters constantly try to find a new vulnerabilities in the Windows operating system or in applications running on the top of it, like the Internet Explorer or Microsoft Outlook. When such vulnerability is found and malicious software is set free or the explored by vulnerability, anti-service software companies try to detect the services and warn users to stop the viruses from spreading. While most malware is still targeted at Microsoft Windows, Apple iOS, Linux, and Google Android are increasingly becoming the attractive targets as well. Again, the detective versus is most virally and done using the co-called services signature, a unique string of bits by the identifiers as a part of the viruses. When a file contains this signature, it is assumed that the file is infected with the viral code. To proactive antivirus detection, software also uses the techniques like the heuristic scanning. Heuristic scanning looks like the certain in typical applications and instructions or commands within a program or a script that are not found in typical applications. This way, viruses can be detected even before their signature is known as the antivirus software vendor. And then we discuss the Daniel of services attack, which is given here. In this passage, we will discuss that how to vector attack vector will work, and then in what type of malwares and malicious code and what is the malicious code. But in the next section, we will read the Daniel of service attack. Let's move to the topic of Daniel of service attack. A Daniel of service DOS attack is an attempt to overload an infrastructure to cause the disruption of a service. This overload can lead to the downtime of a system, disabling an organizing to do its businesses. To perform a DOS attack, an attacker fires off a large number of often malformed requests to server reachables from the internal, typically a web server. because of the high load to server needs in the process in which we will discuss the because the request fill up the frequent request queues and then the either crashes and performs or slow. Thanks for watching my video.